Hello and welcome to my channel. If this is the first time you are watching my video, please subscribe and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get new video updates. If you are looking for a shiny and glowing skin, this video for you. Flax seeds are a powerhouse when it comes to being a skincare product. It's like a one-stop shop for beautiful skin. Flaxseed treat acne, give glowing skin rejuvenation, contain antioxidants and lignans. They discourage the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines on the face. Also, the presence of fatty acids in flax seeds keep the skin smooth and moistured, making it appear youthful. It also tightens the skin and keeps it from sagging. Well, today I'm gonna share with you 3 face masks for face. So let's get started. Let's begin by the gel. We need 1 cup of water. And 2 to 3 tablespoons of flaxseed. Boil the flax seeds for about 10 minutes. You will see the water will slowly turn into gel. Do not overcook the flax seeds, otherwise the gel will be so thick that you cannot spread it smoothly over the skin. When it starts getting stringy, consider it made and then strain it while hot. And voila, you have a flaxseed gel at your disposal. This recipe just like natural Botox to fight wrinkles and small lines on the face. Mix 2 teaspoons of flaxseed gel. And 2 teaspoons of egg white. And a few drops of vitamin E. Egg whites can help tighten and firm. If you have large pores or acne-prone skin, egg whites help close pores and get rid of build-up. And if your skin is oily, egg whites are said to clarify pores follicles that make too much sebum. Using clean fingers, scoop the flaxseed face mask mixture and gently slather it on your face, avoiding the areas around your eyes and mouth. Leave it on for about 10 minutes or until it completely dries up. When the time is up, gently rinse off with warm water. Splash your face with cold water. Pat it dry with a soft towel and moisturize as needed. It can be done 3 times in a week. Let's move to the second recipe. This mask amazing for wrinkles. All we need here is 1 teaspoon of flaxseed gel, 1 teaspoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of rose water, and a few drops of vitamin E. Mix all the ingredients together and apply it on your face. Let it for about 1 hour and then wash your face with warm water. You can keep it in the refrigerator for 5 days. Try it every day for best results. Let's move to the last recipe. We have here 2 teaspoons of flaxseed gel, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of honey. Mix all the ingredients together and apply it on clean skin. Let it for about 15 minutes and then rinse it with warm water. Flaxseed mask with lemon and honey is especially useful for people who are prone to pimples on their skin or who suffer from scars or annoying marks on the skin, as flax seeds may help sterilize the skin, lighten it, and contract large pores while maintaining its moisture. I hope that you will try all these natural magic recipes and give your opinion on the comments below. I just want to tell you, don't forget to clean your face before applying any face mask to get amazing results. And when finished, pat dry with a soft towel and moisturize as needed. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe and share with your friend, and thank you so much for watching.